Hi friends, my name is Gunjan. Welcome to my channel. So last week I shared a video of keto french fries with you. I hope you guys liked it. After sharing that video, I realized that I do not have much keto snack option on my channel. So I decided to do another video of keto snack. And today I'm going to make keto garlic cheese bread for you. Now this keto garlic cheese bread, of course it tastes really good. But the best part about this is when you give this to your friends or family members, they will not be able to guess that this is some keto version of garlic cheese bread until you tell them. I am not kidding. This is fact. And another best part about this is it is zero carb. I believe that a snack should not contain a lot of carbs because it is a snack, right? It's not a meal. So that's why I came up with this zero carb keto garlic cheese bread option so that you can enjoy this guilt free. It has no carbs. You can watch my recipe. In my video I'm going to show all of my ingredients along with the nutritional label so that you know that the thing I'm going to make, it's going to be zero carb. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and check out my keto garlic cheese bread recipe. And before that, if you are new to my channel, a very warm welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it. Now let's check out my recipe. So to make our keto garlic cheese bread, we are going to start off with eggs. So here I have taken two medium sized eggs and I'm going to crack it open into my medium sized ball, one after another. And here I am done. And now with the help of my fork, I'm going to whisk the yolk until it's mixed together with the white and forms one consistency. And once it's done, we'll be adding some mozzarella cheese into this. And the mozzarella cheese I'm taking, you can see it has got negligible amount of carbs. And I'm adding 2 cups of mozzarella cheese into my egg mixture, followed by half cup of freshly grated parmesan. Now I'm going to jazz this up a little bit. This is totally optional. So I have added 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add paprika, you can add some onion powder, you can season it up as you want. And give this a good mix until it forms a nice crumbly mixture. And next I have taken my baking tray and I am lining this up with my silicone mat. You can use parchment paper if you don't have silicone mat. And I am going to transfer my keto garlic cheese bread mixture onto this, and I am going to spread it evenly, and I'm going to shape this up with my hand. You can give any shape that you want. You can give circular shape, you can give square shape, it's totally up to you. And last but not the least, I am going to brush the top of my keto garlic cheese bread with some salted butter and some freshly chopped parsley, and I am going to brush it up. This will give a nice golden color to our keto garlic cheese bread. And I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, you can see the edges has nicely browned up and the top has turned into nice golden color. And allow this to cool down for some time before cutting it into pieces. And to cut this into pieces, I am going to transfer this from my silicone mat to parchment paper, and with the help of my knife I am going to cut it off. And as you can see, I literally have to apply pressure on this to cut it off. That nicely and crispy it has turned out. And there you go, I am done with chopping this off. And now let me grab a piece so that I can show you the texture of it. And there you go, see how nice and crunchy it has turned out, and it has almost no carbs, it's zero carbs. Please do try this recipe and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you.